We will use a plastic trim remover tool like this and we'll punch in the tool on the corner right there. Notice it's pulled out from here. Now we'll punch it from the other edge. Be careful while punching in the tool because we do not want to break the tabs of the window switch cover itself. Now we'll punch in the tool from the armrest corner. There it is, just like that we were able to take it out completely. Behind, notice there are two plugs, one right here and the other one right there. We have to pull out both of those plugs. Now you notice there's that tab right there. We'll have to press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. First plug is taken out. Similar way we'll take out the second plug right here. We'll have to press and hold this tab and then pull the plug outwards. Both plugs taken out. This separates the complete window switch just like that. Once the window switch is taken out, behind the window switch, notice there are a bunch of screws that we have to take out. And I'll be using a Phillips screwdriver to take out all of these screws. So we'll take out all of these screws one by one. There's the first screw taken out. Then we take out the second screw, which is right there. Second screw is also out. Take out the third screw on top. Third screw is taken out. Now before taking out the final screw, which is right there, make sure you're holding onto the window switch with your thumb and then take out the final screw, because while taking out the final screw, the master switch will fall apart and we are actually trying to avoid doing that here. There's the final screw taken out. With the final screw taken out, now what we will do is we'll grab the window switch and then pull it outwards, just like that. That is how we take out the window switch for this car. In my case, the window switch is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new window switch and you want to install it back, just make sure the window switch matches with the position of the cover itself right there. So if you see here, these top buttons should match with the position of the cover and these 4 buttons should match with the position at the bottom. So we'll go ahead and punch in the window switch on the cover, just like that. We make sure it looks good from the other side. All the buttons are looking good from all over. Now what we will do is we will punch in back the screws where we took them out from. So the way it works is we punch in all the screws up until the middle and will not tighten them. Once all the screws are in place, only then we will go ahead and tighten them till the very end. First one is tight. Second one also tight. Third one is tight as well. And there we got the fourth screw tight as well. Once all the screws are in place, now we'll go ahead and punch this back where we took it out from. We'll punch in the bigger plug first. Just make sure the bigger side of the plug, which is right here, stays on top. We'll slide in the plug. It's a little tight spot here. Once in, then we will just press it down until we hear a clicking sound. There it is, that plug is completely in. Similar fashion, we'll punch in the other plug. Just make sure the tab side of the plug, which is right here, it goes towards downside. So we'll punch in this plug as well. Once both the plugs are completely in, now we'll go ahead and install the complete window switch. Notice the window switch cover behind has this kind of plastic color tab. Make sure this tab is going to that spot right there. And then from the edge, you notice it has these tabs. You'll see these tabs all over the window switch. All of these tabs are supposed to go into these spots of the door panel right there. So we'll go ahead and punch this down, making sure it's all the way in. Once in, then we will just press it down until it completely goes in. There it is, it's completely in. With that, we are done with the replacement of master window switch. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.